Good morning, children. Hope you understand what I have explained you yesterday. Now you do the activity given in page number 135 by yourself. If any confusion, ask the question. Now we should discuss how to measure the length of curved line. A wavy line is known as curved line. We cannot measure the length of curved line by using the scale directly. So we should use string or the divider method to measure the length of curved line. To measure the curved line, we should take a piece of string or thread and put a knot near its one end. This knot will act as a starting point for the measure the length of curved line. Place the knot of a thread at a point A on the left side of curved line with the help of thumb and forefinger. Now hold the thread a little distance away from knot and keep it along the curved line with the help of right thumb and forefinger. In this way, run the thread all along the curved line in a little step at a time, keeping the thread taut till the other end of the curved line is reached. Make an ink mark on the thread where it touches on the other end of the curved line. Now straighten the thread or string and measure its length between the knot and ink mark by keeping it along the scale. This will give the length of curved line. Now how should you measure with the help of divider? We can also measure the length of curved line by the divider. To measure the length of curved line using divider, follow the step given below. You should take a divider and separate the tip by small known distance. For example, 3 centimeter. Now place one tip of the divider on the beginning of the curved line to be measured and the other tip on the point on the curved line. Mark the mark on the second point. Similarly, cover the entire length of the curved line with the help of divider so that the complete curved line is divided into segment of 3 cm. If a part of curved line is left over, measure it separately. Now count the total number of equal segments and calculate. Let the length of curved line using the formula given below. The length of entire curved line is equal to number of equal segments into length of the each segment plus length of the leftover part. In this way, we can calculate the length of curved line. A sample problem I am sending you. A 30 centimeter scale has a one end broken. Mark the broken end is a 2.6 centimeter. How would you use it measure the length of your pencil? Now you solve this question and send it. I hope you understand what I have explained you. Now you read the lesson nicely. In next class, I have discussed about the estimation and motion. You read the lesson nicely. Thank you and have a nice day.